Jai Shri Mataji. Very good morning to all the new seekers today for the online session to learn Sahaja Yoga meditation in English. We are conducting this session live from Pratishthan, Pune, which is the holy residence and world's epicenter of Sahaja Yoga meditation. Shri Mataji Nirmala Devi's holy residence. Shri Mataji Nirmala Devi, she founded Sahaja Yoga meditation on 5th May 1970. That means 50 years back. During these 50 years, Sahaja Yoga is not only practiced across all the states of India, but we are having presence almost across all the countries of the world. Sahaja Yoga meditation is very easy to practice. Anyone can practice it at home, morning and evening, 10 minutes. Every week, we have weekly meditation centers where Sahaja Yoga practitioners, they visit for 1 hour once in a week nearby their home. That gives the benefit of collectivity coming together, collective evolution, collective meditation, collective progress. And certainly it gives collective joy. Sahaja Yoga meditation is purely for finding the joy and peace within. On 3rd January, you have taken your experience of self-realization, that is Kundalini awakening. This whole Sahaja Yoga science, Shri Mataji referred to it as a cognitive science. Means you can experience everything. Experience on your palm, on your fingertips, on your top of the fontanel bone area. So whatever we say, there is a test you can experience on your palm. How? Once this Kundalini started flowing from the top of the fontanel bone area, once you start doing meditation morning and evening, these all fingertips, they indicate the energy centers in your body, where is the imbalance. Both the palms, they have the flow of cool or hot energy, and everything has some meaning to it. And that's the reason we are here to educate all the new seekers in India, in English, about Sahaja Yoga meditation. So first, you be rest assured. This is a very fantastic journey. We have so many meditation experts who are practicing Sahaja Yoga more than 20-25 years. Every Saturday and Sunday, morning 10:30, we will be conducting 30 to 40 minute session for you. So very compact session. You can subscribe Learning Sahaja Yoga YouTube channel, which is purely made for learning Sahaja Yoga in Marathi, Hindi and English. During whole lockdown, we have taught to few 100,000 new seekers meditation in Hindi and in Marathi. In English, we have an exclusive website www.sahajayoga.org.in. Also, if you want to learn in a course format, just visit our website onlinemeditation.org, which is having 10 modular course. You register it. Every day, whenever you find some time, spend some time and see the progress. So Sahaja Yoga is like every day you meditate, every week you observe change among ourselves. So what is Sahaja Yoga? So Sahaja Yoga meditation is a meditation technique for inner transformation. We have so many equipments. We have service centers. If any equipment face any problem, what about the human body? Is there any servicing center? No. If we have any trouble within our body speaks. And our hands, they indicate. So, we'll be having these sessions every Saturday, Sunday. We just request you, if you do not get a chance or you miss the session on any of the day, you go to the same YouTube link and you can watch the session again. There is an alternative method because we have whole digital infrastructure for educating Indian citizens about Sahaja Yoga. The way we have website and YouTube channel, you can note down our toll-free number 1800-2700-800. This is India's meditation helpline. You can just simply call upon this number, register freely, say you can register your name, your city, your WhatsApp number, and of course your preferred language, that is English. Our digital coordinators, they will be ensuring you that every week, whatever the meditation updates or techniques or YouTube links or digital material is there, they will be sending you directly on your WhatsApp. So within a week, you can practice, and anytime if you have any trouble in meditation, you have any queries, you can always call on toll-free number. We have expert doctors also who can call you back within 24 hours and they can give you free meditation advice. This whole service is available free of cost because that was the holy teaching of Sri Mataji Nirmala Devi. So now, for learning Sahaja Yoga, you have our English website, sahajayoga.org.in. You have Learning Sahaja Yoga YouTube channel. You have our digital toll-free helpline, the toll-free number of yours. We also have automated WhatsApp number. We'll teach you how to use this WhatsApp number in next session. Also, we have a digital coordinator. So your journey at home will be very fantastic. We always say work from home. But really tell you, meditation from home is more easy than work from home. If you're working at home, why can't we meditate at home? Meditation will change our whole personality in 360 degree. How? So in today's session, first we'll teach you how to meditate at home. So we have a unique method to protect ourselves. That is called raising Kundalini and putting Bandhan ourselves. This protection is like lifetime protection. You can use this Bandhan for ourselves wherever you are going out, protecting from outward negative environment. After learning the Kundalini raising and Bandhan technique, we'll teach you today how to balance ourselves and how to meditate at home. You learn these two techniques only today. Watch the video again and again. And afterwards, you can start doing meditation morning. Whenever you get up, just fresh up. Start doing meditation 10-15 minutes. Once you come back home, or if you are working from home in evening, find some time. Do the meditation 10-15 minutes. It will change your whole 24 hours. See, we have a lot of mental energy. We have so many things to do. But if the energy from within is much more powerful, you can face anything so easily. So today, let's learn how to meditate at home and start your journey through Sahaja Yoga meditation. I welcome Priyanka Dake, who will be teaching you taking Bandhan, and Dr. Swaroop, who will be teaching you how to meditate at home. Thank you. Jai Shri Mataji.
Jai Shri Mataji. We welcome with open hearts all the seekers of truth once again. Today, we are going to learn how to meditate at home. Before that, we will have a short recap of what we learned in the last realization program. In the first program of self-realization, we learned that there are 3 energy channels or nadis in our subtle body, and there are 7 energy centers or chakras in our body. The 3 channels are the left sympathetic nervous system or the Ida Nadi, the right sympathetic nervous system or the Pingala Nadi, the central nervous system or the Sushumna Nadi. This Nadi in the left takes care of our past, the right channel takes care of our future, and the central channel is about the present. Now, there are 7 energy centers or chakras. The first one, which is the lowest chakra, is the Mooladhara chakra. Above that is the triangular bone or the sacrum bone, where the divine mother energy, the Kundalini, resides. Above that is the Swadhisthana chakra in the lower abdomen. Above that is the Nabhi chakra or the solar plexus. Then comes the center heart, then the cervical plexus or the Vishuddhi chakra, then the optic chiasma or Agya chakra, and finally the 7th energy center is the Sahasrara chakra or the limbic area. Now we will learn how to meditate at home. Dear brothers and sisters, each time when we sit for meditation, first of all, we join our hands and we pray to the all-pervading divine power to let us be in meditation. After this, we do a process of taking bandhan, raising our kundalini, which is the mother energy, and taking bandhan. We will see what that is. We do this each time before and after our meditation. As we said, there are 2 channels, one of the past, left hand, and one of the future, right hand. The left hand indicates our desire and the right hand indicates our action. Using our 2 hands, we will raise our kundalini. This is how we do it. We keep our left hand in front of us and the right hand in front of the left hand in a way so that the center of both the palms are in front of each other. Then we keep the left hand, which is the desire power, stable, and we rotate in the clockwise direction our right hand in a way that is forward, downward, backward, upward, forward, downward, backward, upward. We do this 7 times for every chakra, asking the Mother Kundalini to come up from every chakra. So let us see how to do this. So we do this 7 times. Slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. In the last chakra, we tied up our Kundalini on top. As the Kundalini has a thread-like structure, so we can ask her to come up and be tied on top of our head so that it doesn't come down. Okay? Once again. This is the first time. Now we have to repeat this 2 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now tie it twice. 7. Now we do it for the 3rd time. In the 3rd time, we have to tie it 3 times. So first time tie it once, second time tie it twice, and 3rd time tie it 3 times. So here it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now we have raised our Kundalini and tied it up. Next we take a Bandhan. What is a Bandhan? Bandhan is the way by which we give protection to ourselves by the cool breeze which is flowing through our hand. So we keep the hand of pure desire in front of us and we take our right hand around us in a semicircle. Just remember that when we take it around us in a semicircle, the sahasrara of the hand, that is the center of the palm, should come on top of the head, the center of the head. It should cross it. So, like this, 2 semicircles, 1, 2. We do this 7 times for every chakra. 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now we place both our hands on our lap and learn how to meditate by Dr. Swaroop 8K. Jai Shri Mataji.
Jai Shri Mataji. So now we have learned how to take Bandhan and raise our Kundalini, which we do before and after the meditation. This was told to us by Miss Priyanka Darke. Now we will continue to understand how we meditate at home. For this, we require to do something we called as a balancing technique. So what are we balancing? If we look at our left, right and center channels, then our thoughts are always either going to the past, that is to the left channel, or we are thinking about the future. And according to the studies by many medical officers, we have realized that we can get up to 60,000 thoughts in a single day. And the stress that comes from these thoughts actually makes us worried, anxious, sometimes depressed, and sometimes overactive. In order to balance our left and right sympathetic nervous systems, which are balancing our desire on the left side and our action on the right side, we need to do the following steps. The first step after the bandhan is done is to put our right hand, which is the right Pingala Nadi, on the Mother Earth, like this. So if we are sitting on the chair, then we can keep our hand on the chair like this. Or if we are sitting on the ground, if we are sitting on Mother Earth, then it's not a problem at all. Then we just keep our right palm on Mother Earth. And here we will say some prayers, and by asking Mother Earth to remove any obstacles, any excessive thoughts, anything that is obstructing our left sympathetic nervous system or the Ida Nadi. The second step is to bring back the right hand on the lap and to raise our left hand from the elbow towards the sky element. Here we can see that we are actually facing our palm to ourselves as if we are looking in the mirror. And we will also say a prayer where we will ask any obstacles, any excessive thoughts from our right sympathetic channel or the Pingala Nadi to be removed in the sky element. Then we bring our left hand back to the lap and relax. And then we have a prayer for the central channel. So we pray to Mother to bring us on the present moment, which is the moment of innocence, purity, creativity, compassion, love, forgiveness, and integrity, which are the qualities of all the 7 chakras that bring us in the present moment. So, by following these 3 affirmations, which I will explain now, we will start our meditation. So, all of us do with me. Keep our right hand on Mother Earth and say, Shri Mataji, please remove any excessive thoughts, any obstacles from our left channel into the Mother Earth. Or simply, if we don't remember to say so many things, we can say, Shri Mataji, please clean my Ida Nadi, or please clean my left channel, Mother. And try to feel on our left palm if we can feel some coolness and something going away from our right palm to the Mother Earth. Am I feeling much lighter and much cleansed from within? Are my thoughts going reducing and reducing further? Then we can bring back our right hand on the lap and raise the left hand towards the sky element. And here we will say, Shri Mataji, please remove any obstacles, any excessive thoughts, heat from my right channel. Or simply also we can say, Shri Mataji, please cleanse my right channel. Please cleanse my Pingala Nadi. Words are not important, but the intent is important. How we say it, how sincerely we say it. Mother, please cleanse my right channel. Mother, please cleanse my right channel. And then we bring our left hand back on the lap and relax. Now we can see that we are in the present moment. We have already asked Mother Earth and Father Sky to remove all the impurities from our subtle system. So we will ask at this moment, Shri Mataji, please bring me in the present moment. Mother, please purify my central channel. Slowly we can observe the both hands, the palms on the lap, as if we can feel some coolness already seeping in both the palms. At this stage, when we are already in balance, we'll continue the meditation process by keeping our right hand on the left side of the heart chakra. Our heart is towards the left side. We can feel our heartbeats. Let's try to feel our heartbeats. Here we'll say to Shri Mataji, or we can call her Mother with love, Mother, I am the pure spirit. This means that I am not this body, mind, or intellect, but I am the pure spirit. Shri Mataji, please take me to the level of a pure spirit. Invoke the spiritual awareness within me, Mother. Mother, please invoke the Atma Tattva, or the spiritual awareness within me. Once the peace is felt, and once we are able to recognize who we are, and who we are not. We can further continue in our journey by taking our right hand and keeping it on the Agya Chakra or the optic chiasma, bending our head towards Mother Earth and pressing both the temples of our forehead and simply saying, Mother, I forgive everyone at once. It's important to forgive so that nothing remains in our system. We are free of all the issues. So we can say, Shri Mataji, I have forgiven everyone at once, including myself. Mother, I have forgiven myself and everyone at once. Once I feel peaceful at this point, we can go further to the last seventh chakra in the limbic area on the talu or the fontanel bone area as it is called, keeping our head bowed down. We are going to keep our palm mapped exactly to the center of the palm and the talu and rotate the skin of the scalp 7 times in the clockwise direction. And here we are going to ask for our self-realization. Shri Mataji, please may I have my self-realization. Shri Mataji or Mother, please may I have my self-realization. Mother, please may I have my self-realization. 7 times you can ask. With full heart, devotion, dedication and sincerity, because this is the moment of truth. And slowly we raise the palm of the hand exactly mapped on the talu and we raise it a few inches above the head and try to feel if we are getting any experience of cool breeze coming out of our talu or fontanel bone area. We can experience it very subtly and try different places. Like for some people it can be way high up and for some people it can be closer to the talu. So let's try to see what is emitting out of our heads. This emission is nothing else but our pure Mother Kundalini, who is blessing us, piercing all the 7 chakras and showing us that she is here and has given us our self-realization. Then slowly we can bring our right hand back to the lap and relax. With the left hand also, without touching the talu, we can just try to see on the top of the head if we can feel some coolness on the left hand as well. And then bring our left hand down. That is the meditation that we can do. Am I thoughtless? We can ask ourselves, is this the cool breeze of my mother, inner energy, mothering inner energy that I'm feeling? If thoughts are coming in, I can just watch my thoughts and just say, not this thought, not this thought. Just witnessing the thoughts sometimes helps. After this peaceful experience, now let's open our eyes slowly. Look at mother's picture, Shri Mataji, and with folded hands bow down to her and thank her with full gratitude in our hearts for this experience of self-realization. Mother, thank you. Shri Mataji, we thank you for our self-realization. So every day at home, if we do these 5 steps, 2 of balancing, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then sit down and experience on both the palms of the hands. We can end the meditation by keeping our left hand in front of us and raising the Kundalini and taking the Bandhan as Priyanka Didi taught us earlier. 4, 5, 6, 1 knot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 knots. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 3 knots. So 1 knot for 1 channel, 2 knots for 2 channels, and 3 knots for 3 channels. And then from the left side we start and we raise our hands for the protection or the bandhan in semicircles and return back from where we started from the top of the head. Like this we do 7 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Thank you. Jai Shri Mataji.
So how you felt during the meditation? Good? Yes. How it works? What you are supposed to do throughout the week? See, very simple. Whenever you finish this meditation, what we learned from our Sahajogini sister Swarup, which is taught to us by Shri Mataji Nirmala Devi herself. After every meditation, just raise your both hands at the level of your heart. Watch the flow of vibrations. You can do now also. Yeah, just keep hands like this. Okay? Do it. Don't be shy. Like this. Okay. Outward, inward. In same line. Slowly. Slowly take it to in. Slowly out. Now when you are doing this, there may be some magnetic force. Don't pay attention to it. That's the childhood experiment. We are now talking about the vibrations. Is there any flow of cool or hot vibrations? How you are feeling? Cool? Hot? Just note it down. Initially it will be hot. The reason is there are many imbalances in our body. Most of the time we are having past worries or worried about future. So there is an imbalance in left and right channel. Now do like this. Yeah. Keep right palm like this, left palm like this. Keep left palm like this, right on top of the fontanel bone area. Slowly. Up, down. Do it. Okay? Any flow of cool breeze? Take the palm down. After every morning, evening meditation, do this for 1 minute. Check if there is flow of vibration. You may find some kind of a burning or tingling sensations on the fingertips. Why? The Kundalini has risen. Now what happens? There are many threads of Kundalini in our body. 3 channels, 7 energy centers. 3 into 7, 21. On 21, put 108 zeros. So many threads like our hair. few hundred have been enlightened, which are emitting these vibrations. This natural energy, the flow of vibrations, which is called as cool breeze of the Holy Ghost in Bible. It is called Saundarya Lahari, Ananda Lahari, Chaitanya Lahari in Indian all mythological books and spiritual books. So every religious book, they have some meaning to it. For us, we are in a modern yuga, we call it vibrations. Now these vibrations will become our part of the life. Whenever you want to take decision, whenever you want to clean our energy centers, these vibrations are going to help you out. Yes, so much easy. First, you have to do meditation morning and evening. Whatever you learn today, just follow the part of meditation, raising Kundalini, taking Bandhan, then sitting down for meditation. Put attention at the last part on your Sahasrara crown chakra and pay attention to thoughtless awareness. So during meditation, objective is paying attention to thoughtless awareness. Let thought come and go. Pay attention to the thoughtless awareness only. That is the meditation. And pay attention to the flow of vibrations. That is how we'll grow in meditation. It is easy, but as good as difficult too. But slowly you can do it. Now what next? To improve our vibrations, to improve our energy and efficiency, tomorrow morning, 10:30, tomorrow is Sunday, we'll be having next session to teach you how to do foot soak. A very easy treatment which anyone can do at home or outside also. So just watch on the screen. Tomorrow before 10:30 when you sit for meditation, you will be bringing one small aluminum or any metal tub if you have. For tomorrow you may use plastic, but next time you bring a metal tub where you can have normal tap water, some rock salt, जिसे हिंदी में खड़ा नमक कहते हैं, rock salt, to put into that water. Keep one fresh bowl of water to cleanse your leg after finishing this treatment. And of course, to clean your legs, one cloth you can keep. So this is a simple technique where we'll be cleaning our whole body from within. All our energy centers, all our channels, they get cleansed through this foot soak. We call in Hindi as a Jal Kriya. Amazing technique. You practice for 7 days and you will find how your energy level, how your efficiency level changes. It will relax you. So tomorrow, 10:30, let's learn something new in this session, foot soak. Thank you for attending today's meditation. If any query comes, just call on our toll free. We are just a call away. Thank you. Jai Shri Mataji.